Oh.
Wow.
Will it explode?
You want to do it?
Yeah, will it explode?
No, it doesn't.
That is cool. What's inside?
Fog machine.
A fog machine?
We got a fog machine right back here. We ran
What?
the pipe
Holy cow! And then we have a
You guys have time to do this stuff?
You can tell they digged it out of the...
Have you shown anybody else?
Turn it on again, Kyle.
You can tell they digged it out of the...
Next period?
You can't see.
Science is what I have.
No, I have Mrs. Moss.
You need to get out inside. What?
You need to bring Mr. Miller and Mrs. Hoffman out here.
Okay.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm gonna come over here again.
I doubt Miss Molly would take the time.
Can you turn the fog machine back on, Kyle?
Shit, she did have
Whoa, it's so cool. Oh, look at the giraffes. They're eating. And then there's baby horses and baby elephants.
There's a hippo.
Hey, there goes again.
Oh, there's a baby hippo.
Where's the baby hippo?
It's right there.
Whoa.
This is
How long did this take you to?
And they hooked up to the power on
Mrs. Gross, you'll have to tell me.
Quite a bit.
Allie's brother.
Yeah.
Remember this last year? They hooked up to the
Take a while.
trailer lights on the pickup for their power.
We're gonna have to step up our
What?
Yeah,
should do something like
It's like little side streams.
So how long do you think it took you guys to rig this all up?
Couple of weeks, probably.
So whose truck is this?
Kyle's.
So you just don't use this truck hardly ever?
It's their farm truck. So.
It's your farm truck.
Oh, I got my eyes up.
This is so cool.
I just
Come here, Leo. Come on. There's a hawk right up there.
Say what?
We didn't actually get this into the back of the
Wow. So you got a little map down. This is cool.
This is sweet.
And like, I mean, we got sod for grass and
Wow.
everything. There's real sand under here too.
Gosh, that's so cool.
That's really cool.
Where'd you guys get this?
Oh, Jaden, what did you touch?
I didn't touch anything.
Your hand was down in there and it